Welcome to niaimagination.com. Today I am teaching you how to use this wheel and foot pedal and the electronic pedal to just sew any cloth. Actually, this video is asked by my subscribers and here I am demonstrating the same. The main thing is my sewing machine is electronic. It has the motor with it. This is the motor and it works with this foot pedal, electronic foot pedal. Okay, but right now I can teach you how to use this foot pedal as well. So let's start with it.
If your machine is not having any pedal or foot pedal or any electronic pedal or motor with it, you just use your machine by this wheel. Okay, I'm just demonstrating with very basic sewing machine. There is a handle with it which is not there in my machine, but I can teach you. So this is the cloth. You turn it once. To learn just simple stitching, you turn it once and then twice. Insert it into this. Just take this up, insert the cloth, keep this down. Okay, this is very basic stitching. If you have just simple sewing machine, just sew this like this. There is a wheel handle, you can do like this. Okay, for this you have to move this wheel toward your side. Okay, and in this manner this cloth will be stitched. Okay, it will take lot of time, but if you have this foot pedal with it, see, if you have this foot pedal with it, okay,
You just keep your foot like this on it. To start it, just take your hand, this one hand over here, and from one hand keep handle this cloth, okay, like this. Keep your hand toward here and roll it. Move this foot toward your side like this. Just initial foot moving is to be done toward your side and foot pedal is to be used like this. See, in this manner this wheel will turn and your foot pedal will work like this. If you want to know how do I keep my foot on it, just keep your foot on it like this, turn it toward yourself and start stitching. Your wheel will work like this and your sewing machine will work. See, okay, this is demonstration how you can use this foot pedal of this sewing machine having this wheel. Till now I taught you how to work with basic sewing machines wheel, which is having a handle with it, and how to use this foot pedal. Okay, after this there is the third method in which you are having this electronic foot pedal. See, this is electronic foot pedal. You keep it like this in this fashion and you will just keep your foot on it and press it slowly. Just handle your cloth like this after turning twice in this fashion. Okay, for initial start you just start your wheel toward yourself side. Okay, now press slowly your foot pedal. How do you press slowly? Come toward my foot side. See, press slowly like this. This is for very beginners. You can do the same without your slippers as well. Okay, just keep your foot on it. See, slowly press, leave, press, leave, press, leave, press, leave, as if you are taking a breath. Press, leave. You are able to do practice of it. Just keep your foot and do some more press. If you are able to do this much easily, okay, then for more practice, for more professionality, you just press it for longer time. You should press this politely but for the longer time, okay, and then leave. See how I'm doing. Press, leave, press, leave, press, leave. Do not take your foot above it. Just keep it more professionally. How I do is keep my this ankle on floor, okay, and then keep this one on it. Just do like this. Start. Leave, leave, press, leave. In this fashion, for example, I have to stitch till here only, okay. After completing my stitching, just leave your foot paddle, okay, and take your needle above by doing this wheel, by moving this wheel toward yourself. See, in this fashion needle came up above, okay. Now after keeping this above, take this foot pedal up, take out this cloth, okay, and cut it. Now see, in this fashion I have stitched this much of cloth. If you have any problem with your sewing machine, and if you are not able to understand any part of this sewing machine, how to work it with it, you just ask me on comment section. Keep watching niaimagination.com for regular tutorial. Go to website niaimagination.com. Under it you just go to dress designing page, okay, and then here you can get these all videos. And please like and subscribe my channel Nia Imagination on YouTube. Share it on your social media. Thank you.